Going to try something different today. Rather than just vibe coding, I'm going to hire an AI engineer to build a real software as a service from scratch in one sitting. So no pre-written code, no agency, no human dev, just me handing it a brief and watching what happens. And just trying to get a feel for where AI coding tools are at right now and whether they can build real products, not just write functions. That's the test today. But I decided what we're going to build is roast my landing page. So you submit your URL, it roasts your design via AI. I want it to be brutal, honest, useful, and $5. I picked it because it's small enough to ship in one sitting, and it's unique enough that I think someone might pay $5 for it. And again, I'm not writing any of the code. That's the whole point of this video. So we're going to use a tool called Verdent today and check out how it works. So again, I'm not going to give it a lot of detail. Just build me a roast my landing page SaaS, Stripe checkout at $5, Supabase for storing roast, that's our database, AI roast endpoint, and clean landing page and email confirmation. So that's all I'm going to give it, and let's pass it along. So before we got going, it asked me a few questions. So the stack, that's fine. Where should the code live? New repo, it's fine. AI provider, let's use Anthropic. I have an API key ready to go for that. I do have those. So I have Stripe, Supabase that's going to use resend for email. I do have all that. Roast input, yes, URL only. And auth, let's do magic link via Supabase. I'm impressed it asked me questions to clarify rather than just going off and doing whatever it thought was best. Okay, more questions. That's good. That's fine. As for API keys, I'll probably do it off camera, but I'll just paste them in here. I'm not real big into security. It's a flaw of mine, something I'm working on. All right, so I got this all completed, and I want to show you. At first, I tried it the hard way. I was trying to hook up Stripe and Supabase kind of manually, but then I realized they have these plugins. So you can just connect your Stripe account, you can just connect your Supabase account, and then it pulls it in so easy. So I was doing it the hard way, but once I got those connected, then it automatically hooked up Supabase, found a project, got it all set up without me really doing much of anything. It created all the files here. Even got my .env files set up, and then it went into Stripe and it was able to hook it all up to make these payments work without me doing anything. So these plugins are like a lifesaver. They make life so much easier. And it even set up, normally with Stripe, you need a webhook to make sure the payment went through. And normally you'd have to kind of set that up. I don't think most code providers would actually remember to do that. I didn't ask it to do that, but it just set it up. It's like, hey, you're going to need this. And it was hooked into Stripe, so it just went and did it. So then it pulled up the page and it asked, do you want to test this out? Do you want to test out the checkout process? Which I have not seen. If you use Replit or Lovable or something like that, they're not going to be able to do that. But it went through, checked out the actual checkout process to make sure that it worked. It not only built the app, but it actually tested it too. It's super cool that it could do that. And again, this is different than like Replit and Lovable and some of those because the code does not live on their server. The code's actually, I'm running this on my actual computer. So the code is all here for me to run locally or me to deploy it however I want. That's actually the next thing it suggests is, hey, do you want to deploy this to production? But we're going to have it test out the landing page for Streamhopper. That's one of my apps that I built that I really like. So roast it for $5, redirects to checkout. Again, this was pretty much on one pass. This is in test mode, so you can use, I don't know if you know this for Stripe, but you can use 424242. So we'll go ahead and pay our $5. So the roast has begun, and so it brought up, oh boy, another revolutionary streaming tool that makes it look like it was designed during a lunch break. Ouch! This is pretty hostile. I might need to turn down the hostility on the roasting. You've built a landing page that commits the cardinal sin. It's forgettable. Nothing pops, nothing sticks, nothing makes me care. Ouch! So I might actually send this roast to the agent for Streamhopper and fix the landing page so it doesn't get roasted so badly. Another service I just thought of that might be cool is maybe you have an agent that roasts landing pages and then fixes them until there's nothing more to roast. That's an interesting idea. Let me know in the comments if you want me to build that. So another really cool tool, which rhymes, is you can connect this to Telegram. So from Telegram, so I can do this from my phone, but I just said, what's the status of my build, my roast SaaS project? And then it messaged me back and said kind of where it was at. And I can chat back with it. And this is, contacting Verdent and can talk back and forth with it. So in all, really liked my experience here with Verdent. I might actually launch this live and just get a link out there. I'll put it in the description. I think like some of the vibe coders are going to be faster if you just want a demo with a link to share, or just want a quick landing page. But what I like about Verdent, this is more for building like real software. So it's working with code that's actually on your machine. And, you could bring this to an existing code base and actually work on it there. But, 30 minutes ago, this was an idea. Now it's running, it's taking payments and producing real AI roasts that I can put into my Supabase dashboard. This code is on my computer. I keep it forever. So if you got an idea in your Notes app, try building it this week. Again, with AI, it doesn't take hardly any time. So easy these days. Make sure to check out the plugins and connect them there. And also, it comes with all these different skills that I could probably do 20 videos just going over the different skills that you could use. If you do ship something with Verdent, please let me know in the comments. I would love to check it out. Shout out to Verdent. I just love people building cool things. And this is definitely one. Really happy to review it. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Please like and subscribe. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.